Let's download JDK and netbean to start Java SE, right? So you need to click on first link, and here is the JDK 10. Let's click on, and here is the accept license and agreement, and here is the JDK for Windows, Linux, right? Mac OS, right? You need to choose your operating system and download the JDK and then install, right? It's pretty easy. Next thing, you need to download a netbean, so just type a download netbean, right? So let's click on first link here as well, and here is the netbean for for all, means for all the programming languages, for PHP, for Java EE, Java SE, but I would suggest you to download for all, which is 221 megabytes of file, because it works for every programming languages, right? So you need to download and install netbean as well. So after install, your netbean looks like, right? So next part, we will create new project and write a hello world.